Hi there. I wanted to share with you the Blackboard space and some new decisions I made about the syllabus now that I've gone through everything, period. I'm sorry it's taken me so long, but you'll see there's a lot of content here. So if we click on our class, you'll see up here that there are content and assignments, and that gives you this whole page here. I have included the syllabus as something you can download, as well as Robin's request that we have it as something that she can just look at on her own. And then there are the links to great resources. These are just any resources that you can find that would be useful for all of us. It goes to a Google Doc, and then you'll want to click back to get to Blackboard. This is where you are supposed to be uploading your potential data sets for the assignment for this week. And here is where you are supposed to provide links to policy, justice, data representations, charts, and graphs, that you found compelling. So that's that. Here is the guidance on the policy brief advocacy campaign presentation, and instead of an AERA presentation proposal, which I thought at the end of the day is just way too much, I'd like you to create an infographic. And so the guidance is here. You click here, you click again, and then there you are. And now, how do I get back? Let me move this. All right, clicking back. So back to content and assignments. There will be data sets here for assignments. This downloads an Excel spreadsheet that looks like this, just a little bit of data. And this is a tiny data set that you're going to be using with a video. Okay, let's click that. Let's see, content and assignments. The various readings, they're all here and they're all accessible. Content and assignments. This is where you will upload your different assignments. Here's information on data storytelling and what it is. These are just extra resources. And then I have extra resources similarly for data storytelling and policy, digital injustice, various digital storytelling resources. So, how to narrate a PowerPoint presentation, how to guide for digital storytelling, and so on. And this close reviewing protocol is like how you can look critically at the text and think about it. So hopefully that's helpful. Accessibility resources about making digital works and visuals, etc., accessible for people with disabilities. And then I decided that you could do an infographic as the piece instead of the AERA presentation. And so there are resources here about how to think about infographics, and then a list of the 12 best infographic tools, and you can use these. I actually have made a link for you to use Venngage, which is a good one. And so anyway, that'll be up to you to choose how to do, and we'll talk more about that in class. Let's see, content and assignments. Infographic resources, and then the syllabi. So the main thing that has changed in terms of the assignments is that instead of having in here, the three components here, instead of there being a proposal for AERA, I've asked you, I'm sorry it's late, I've asked you to create an infographic to market and create interest in your issue and the presentation. And I think it's appropriate because that really is a really important way of sharing data these days. So I think that's going to be more reasonable. I'm looking forward to seeing you at class, and please make sure that you're doing everything that needs to get done for each class, because if you don't, then we're going to have a lot of dud classes. So thank you very much. Let me know if you have further questions. And I know that those of you who, there are many of you or some of you who are thinking that they want to take more time to do the, to submit your final works, and that's fine. I just need you to connect with me and let me know. All right. Thanks so much. Have a great Memorial Day.